Boys and girls, this is page 67 of your chapter 5 workbook. Okay, please take out your chapter 5 workbook, page 67. You have done up to page 66 last Friday. So we're going to continue with page 67 here. So before we start off at every single question, number 1, do remember to annotate your questions. Number 2, do remember to jot down all the models that I've written on the screen. And number 3, please make sure you show all your steps. And of course, lastly, when you're writing your answers in the blank, do not forget to check for your units. Okay, now let's look at this first question, question 6, yeah? Now, first of all, when I have a mass of pail is 2,490 grams, where it is 1 out of 4 filled with sand. So the 1 unit here refers to the sand, whereas the full pail itself is 4 units. Okay, next, if the pail is fully filled with sand, that means it is 4 out of 4 filled, 4 units fully filled. It will be 9,240 grams. Find the mass of the pail when it's empty. So boys and girls, if you can see on the screen, I have a pothole model on the screen here with me. So please draw a rectangular bar like this with your ruler and pencil. Okay. I'm going to pause here for a while for you to draw out your lines. Okay, now let's divide up this pothole model. Okay, so first of all, I have my pail. Okay, and this remaining bar I'm going to subdivide into 4 parts. Reason being because they say in the first line it is 1/4 filled with sand. So I'm going to show you that if I only have 1 unit filled together with the pail, it will be 2,490 grams. So I'll label in this manner. Okay. Now, in the second sentence, it tells that if it's fully filled with sand, that means the pail plus the 4 units of sand, when it's fully filled, it will be 9,240 grams. Okay, so what you can see from the model, take a while to organize it, take a while to visualize it, you'll be able to see that actually the difference between 9,240 and 2,490 is this 3 units of sand. Okay, I say again, the difference between 9,240 grams and 2,490 grams is that 3 units of sand. So here I have 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit. These are only my sand. The pail is on the left-hand side, clearly labeled there. Okay, so I can say that my 3 units will be 9,240 minus 2,490. That will give me my 3 units here. Okay, and then next, after you solve for that 3 units, find your 1 unit by dividing by 3. Okay, now this 1 unit will tell me the amount of sand for this 1 unit here. If you can't see, I'm talking about this. Okay, so the 1 unit will be the 1 unit on the screen shown here. But now I am interested in the pail only, the empty pail. So how do I find an empty pail? I'll take 2,490 grams minus the mass of that 1 unit of sand. Let me say again, I'll take 2,490 grams minus that 1 unit of sand. I'll get that empty pail. Okay, so don't forget to check for your units in your answer. After you receive your answer, they ask for mass, and in this case, it's in grams. So when you're putting your answer in the blank, please remember to put in your grams. Okay, so that's it for question 6.